Let's cook delicious Hainanese chicken rice in 20 minutes with my trusty Instant Pot. Starting with the chicken rice paste, place these ingredients into a food processor and grind it to a paste. Once that's done, switch on the sauté function on the Instant Pot. Set it on high and let it heat up. Then, rub a little salt on the skin of about 800 grams of boneless chicken thighs. Once your Instant Pot is hot, pour in the chicken rice paste and stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Smells amazing. When that's done, pour in 2 cups of chicken broth, turn off the sauté mode. I'm just using a wooden spatula to scrape the bottom of the pot so nothing is stuck on it, and of course stirring everything up. Next, layer the chicken pieces in the pot, skin side up, pour in 2 cups of uncooked rice and use the wooden spatula to gently push the rice around so it's covered by the liquid. Throw in a couple of pandan leaves tied in a knot. Close the lid to seal. Pressure cook on high pressure and set the timer to 8 minutes. When the timer is up, wait for about 10 minutes and then release the pressure completely by pushing the quick release button. And we're done! Once you've let the pressure out, twist to open the lid and admire and smell your chicken rice. I can't wait to eat it, I'm so hungry. Take the pieces of chicken out from under the rice, put them onto a plate. After taking the pieces of chicken out, we don't take out the rice. We kind of just give it a little stir. And then we put the lid back on. Because the keep warm mode is on, this gets the rice a bit more fluffy while we cut the chicken up. Once the chicken has been prepped, take the fluffy, fragrant rice out of the Instant Pot and serve with some fresh cucumber and tomatoes. This is so good. Chicken rice in 20 minutes, only with my Instant Pot.